Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this fishtail chignon hairstyle. To start, we're going to section off the crown of the hair, and I'm just going to clip this on top of the head for later. Next, I'm going to divide the hair from the ears upwards, and again clip this out of the way for later on. Do this on both sides of the head. With the remaining hair, I'm going to split this straight across in half and just clip that top section out of the way for now. And with the bottom section, I'm just going to pop it into a low ponytail. Take that a section above it down, and we're going to divide this in half and then pop each half into a small ponytail on the side of the head. And we're going to do a fishtail braid, so to do that we split the ponytail in half, and I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the outside of the left hand strand, cross it over and join it to the middle of the right hand strand. Then take a small section from the outside of the right strand, cross it over and join it to the left strand. So basically we're just taking a little section of hair from each side and crossing it over to the opposite. The smaller the section, the more detailed you can get your fishtail braid. If you don't like fishtail braiding, you can do a regular 3-strand braid. Carry on braiding all the way down to the end of the hair and secure it with an elastic band. Then repeat on the right hand side. Release that crown section of hair down, and I'm going to pop some texture powder all over the roots. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then I'm going to gently back comb small sections of the hair, holding it straight up. If you don't like back combing, you can skip this step. And we're going to back comb the whole of that section, taking small slices of hair all the way down the back of the head. Now I've cut a bun donut open, and I'm just measuring it so it covers the ponytail, and just snip that off. Pop your hand through the centre, grab the ponytail and pull it all the way through that mesh. Then hold the top to the head and secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. Grab the ponytail and roll it all the way up until it meets the nape of the neck. Then secure it all the way around with as many bobby pins as needed. Release that back combed section down, and we're just going to smooth over the top with your comb just so you can't see any of that back comb. Hold this together at the top of the bun, and all we're going to do is stretch a soft elastic band over the hair, taking it underneath that padding and down through the sides. Now with your fingers, gently push the side of the hair to help cover the padding and the elastic band. Hold it to the head and secure with a couple of pins. Then repeat on the left hand side, so push all the hair to cover the padding and secure with bobby pins. And for those tail ends, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid, tying it off with an elastic band. And then I'm just going to tuck that braid up and underneath the padding and secure it in place with another pin. Okay, take out the front sections, and we're going to leave a little bit out to frame the face. And with the rest of the hair at the front on the right hand side, I'm going to bring it over the top of the chignon and over the top of the braid on the right hand side. And then with the ends I'm going to bring it under the left hand braid, down the side of the bun, and then I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath and secure it with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side, so leave a bit out to frame the face, bring it over the braid on the left hand side and over the top of that bum padding, but this time I'm going to take a topsy tail tool and slip it behind the previous section, pass the ends through the loop and pull it all the way through. You can do this with your fingers, it's just easier with a topsy tail. Then just wrap the ends around a bobby pin and push them underneath that chignon. Now I'm going to put the topsy tail tool back where it was, and I'm going to grab the left hand braid and pull it all the way through so it goes behind that section. And then with the right hand braid I'm going to bring it over to the left hand side of the chignon and secure with a couple of pins. Don't forget to secure the other braid at the top and then down the right hand side of that little chignon. Curl the hair at the front away from the face on both sides. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.